Hello students, myself Miss Divya Amle, Mathematics Department, Gokhale College, Kolhapur. This is our fourth lecture for the topic sets and functions. So we start the lecture from where we have left in the last lecture. Okay, see, the next point is Cartesian product of sets. First we see what is the ordered pair. Okay, an ordered pair consists of two objects or elements in a given fixed order. For example, you can see here A, B, 1, 2. Ordered pair means what? Two objects or elements in a given order. Okay, so you can see here are only two elements in the pair. So this is called ordered pair, and in the ordered pair order must be important. Okay, note that ordered pair is not a set consisting of two elements. In ordered pair, order of element is important. Such as you can see here xy is not equal to yx. Okay, means here order of the elements are very important. Okay, so next we see what is Cartesian product of sets. Let A and B be two non-empty sets, then the set of all ordered pairs xy, where x belongs to A and y belongs to B, is called the Cartesian products of sets A and B. So you can see Cartesian product means what? The set of all ordered pair of the sets A and B. Okay, so Cartesian product of sets is denoted by this cross sign. Okay, A cross B means Cartesian product between the sets A and B. So A cross B will be equal to what? The set, the ordered pair xy, such as x belongs to A and y belongs to B, means first element belongs to first set and second element belongs to second set, means x belongs to A and y belongs to B. Okay, so see here example, if set A equals to 4, 5, set B equals to A, B, C, then A cross B will be what? All the ordered pairs of sets A and B as per definition. So what will be A cross B? 4A, 4B, 4C, 5A, 5B, 5C, means first elements of each ordered pair belongs to the set A and second elements in the ordered pair belongs to set B. You can see 4 and 5 belongs to set A and A, B, C belongs to set B. Okay, here A has two elements. You can see in the set A there are two elements and B has three elements. So A cross B has 2 into 3 means total 6 elements. You can see here A cross B, in the set A cross B there are 6 elements. Okay, so in general, if A has m elements and B has n elements, then A cross B has m into n elements. Okay, the Cartesian product of set with itself can also be considered. Means we can find the Cartesian product of set with itself. So see example, the set A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then A cross A will be equal to what? You can see here 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4 and 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4. Means we can find the Cartesian product of set with itself. Okay. R is the set of real number. R cross R gives the set of all ordered pairs of real number. Okay, R cross R. The set R cross R will be equal to ordered pair xy such that x and y belongs to set R. R is what? Set of real number. So see, let A equals to 2, 4, 6, 8 and set B equals to 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can see here diagram. The element 2 is pointing to the element 1. You can see here the element 2 is pointing to the element 1. That is mean 2 is related to 1. Similarly 4 is related to 2 6 is related to 3 and 8 is related to 4. So we observe that here the elements are related by the relation is a twice of. You can see here 2 is a twice of 1, 4 is a twice of 2, 6 is a twice of 3 and 8 is a twice of 4. Okay. So this relation can be written as a set of ordered pair as R equals to 2 1, 4 2, 6 3 and 8 4. Okay. The set AB, the set ordered pair AB such that A belongs to A, B belongs to B, and what is the relation between these two sets? A equals to twice B. Okay. Such a subset R of A cross B defines a relation. Okay. See next definition. If A and B are two non-empty sets, then this is the definition of relation. Okay. If A and B are two non-empty sets, then a relation R from set A to set B is a subset of Cartesian product A cross B. Okay. Means we know Cartesian product of sets A and B is what? A cross B. And in A cross B, by definition of Cartesian product, there are ordered pair where first element belongs to set A and second element belongs to set B. And we can establish the relation between the two sets A and B like this diagram. Okay. We can establish the relation between the two sets. Okay. Thus, R is a relation from A to B if and only if R is a subset of A cross B. Okay. Means we define the relation from the elements of set A cross B. Okay. Means ordered pair of elements A and B. Okay. See, if ordered pair XY belongs to R, then we say that X is related to Y, that is X R Y. Okay. And if if ordered pair XY belongs to A cross B, but this ordered pair does not belongs to set R, then we say X is not R related to Y. Means X R, you can see here denoted by X R dash Y. Okay. What is the mean by this sentence? XY belongs to A cross B but XY does not belongs to R means there is a no relation between X and Y like this diagram. Okay. You can see here there is a relation between 2 and 1, 4 and 2, 6 and 3 and 8 and 4. But this sentence means there are such a also elements where relation not established. Okay. See next point, domain and range of a relation. Let R be a relation from set A to set B, then the set of all first components of the ordered pairs belonging to R is called domain of R, and the set of all second components of the ordered pairs in the R is called range of R. Means what? In ordered pair, every first element is what? Domain of R, and every second element is what? Range of R. Okay. See, domain of R is equal to such that ordered pair AB belongs to R. Okay. Means we have to take only first element which is called domain, and range means what? We have to take only second element that is B of ordered pair. Okay. So see, relation on a set. Let A be a non-empty set, then a relation from set A to itself, that is a subset of A cross A, is called a relation on set A. You can see your example. Let the set A equals to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and set B equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have given here a relation between A and B. Means suppose let R equals to 4, 1, 8, 5, 12, 2, 16, 3. Then R is a relation from A to B. Why we call there is a relation from A to B? We have given R, and you can see here all the first elements 4, 8, 12, 16 belongs to set A, and all the second elements 1, 5, 2, 3 belongs to set B. So R is a relation from A to B. Then what is the domain of R? Domain of R means what? All the first elements of ordered pair, that is 4, 8, 12 and 16. And what is range of R? Range of R means all the second elements from ordered pair, that is 1, 2, 3 and 5. Okay. So see here next example. Let A equals to A, B, C and R equals to ordered pair A, A, B, B, A, B, C. Then R is a subset of A cross A. Means R is a relation on set A. Okay. So see next point is inverse relation. Let A and B be two sets and let R be a relation from a set A to set B. Then the inverse of R is denoted by this R inverse, R raised to minus 1, that is R inverse is a relation from B to A. Means you can see here R is a relation from A to B, then R inverse is a relation from B to A. Means we have to only reverse the set, and is defined by R inverse equals to the set BA such that AB belongs to R. Means we have to only reverse the elements of ordered pair. You can see here in the set R there are elements A, B, and in set A R inverse there are elements B, A. Okay. Clearly domain of R is equal to range of R inverse and range of R equal to domain of R inverse. So how it is? Domain of R is what? Domain of R is a small a, and range of R inverse means what? Second element of R inverse what is? A. So A equals to A, and in the second statement range of R is what? B, and domain of R inverse is what? B. So always domain of R equal to range of R inverse and range of R equals to domain of R inverse. Okay. So see the example. If the set A equals to 1, 2, 3, the set B equals to 4, 5, 6, which of the following are relation from A to B? Give reason in support of your answer. Means we have to find here. Means we have to find here if the points you can see here 1 and 2, we have given here relation 1 and 2, and we have to find whether it is relation from A to B or not. Okay. So see solution. We have given first, you can see here we have given first relation 1, 6, 3, 4 and 5, 2. So we suppose R1 equals to 1, 6, 3, 4, 5, 2. So we have to find it is relation or not. So you can see here 1 and 6. What we have to find here? We have to check whether first elements belongs to set A and second elements belongs to set B. So you can see first pair is what? 1 and 6. 1 belongs to A and 6 belongs to B. Okay. Second ordered pair is what? 3 and 4. So you can see 3 belongs to A, 4 belongs to B. And the third ordered pair is what? 5 and 2. But 5 does not belongs to set A. So since 5, 2 does not belongs to A cross B. Okay. In ordered pair 5, 2 does not belongs to, but we have given 5, 2 belongs to R1. So since 5, 2 does not belongs to A cross B, here R1 is not a relation from A to B. Okay. So see next second is what? We have given relation 1, 5, 2, 6, 3, 4 and 3, 6, and we have to check whether R is a relation. Okay. So Suppose let R2 equals to 1 5 2 6 3 4 3 6. So similarly we have to check where first element belongs to first set and second element belongs to second set. So first order pair is what? 1 and 5. So you can see 1 belongs to A and 5 belongs to B. Then next order pair is what? 2 6. So 2 belongs to A and 6 belongs to B. Next order pair 3 4. So 3 belongs to A, 4 belongs to B. And the other next is 3 6. 3 belongs to A and 6 belongs to B. Okay. So all the elements of R2 belongs to A cross B. So R2 is a relation from A to B. Okay. So see the next example. If A be the set of first 5 natural numbers and let R be a relation on a set A defined as ordered pair xy belongs to R if and only if x is less than or equal to y. Express R and R inverse as the set of ordered pairs. Means we have to find here R and R inverse. Okay. And we have given here condition for relation xy belongs to R if and only if first element is less than or equal to second element. Okay. And we have given the set A which is equal to first 5 natural numbers. Okay. So see solution. Here A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And R is a relation on A given by, you can see here this condition is given in the question. Xy belongs to R if and only if x is less than or equal to y. Okay, so we know as 1 is less than or equal to 1, 1 is less than or equal to 2, 1 is less than or equal to 3, 1 is less than or equal to 4, and 1 is less than or equal to 5. 2 is less than or equal to 2, 2 is less than or equal to 3, etc. Okay, hence R will be what? We have to establish the relation as per given condition x is less than or equal to y. So what are the elements of the set are 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, then 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 4 4, 4 5 and 5 5. So what is condition here? First element is less than or equal to second element. Okay. So we find here R. Then what? Then next what to find? R inverse also we have to find. R inverse means what? We know R inverse is equal to ordered pair BA such that AB belongs to R. Means we have to only reverse the elements of set R. Okay. So what will be it? R inverse equals to 1 1, 2 1, 3 1, 4 1, 5 1, 2 2, 3 2, 4 2, 5 2, 3 3, 4 3, 5 3, 4 4, 5 4, 5 5. Okay. See next example. Determine the domain and range of the relation defined by. So first is what? First relation R equals to ordered pair x plus 1, x plus 5 such that x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And second is what? Second relation R equals to ordered pair xy such that x is a prime number less than 10 and y equals to x cube. Okay. So we have given here relations and we have to find the domain and range of the both the relation. Okay. So firstly we solve first relation and then second. So first is what? We have given relation R equals to ordered pair x plus 1, x plus 5 such that x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So R will be what? Firstly we have to put the value of x equal to 0, then put x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3, x equal to 4 and x equal to 5. Firstly we put x equal to 0. Then what will be this ordered pair? 1 and 5. Then put x equal to 1. What will be ordered pair? 2, 6. Then x equal to 3, 3, 7. X equal to 4. Sorry, x equal to 3, 4, 8. Then x equal to 4. If we put x equal to 4, then what will be the ordered pair? 5 and 9. And then x equal to 5. Then 6 and 10. Okay, then ordered pair is what? 6 and 10. So here we find the relation R. Okay, then we have to find domain of R. Domain of R means what? All the first elements of the set R. What will be it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And range of R means what? All the second elements of the ordered pair R. That is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so see, next relation is what? R equals to xy, ordered pair xy, such that x is a prime number less than 10 and y equals to x cube. Okay, we know prime number is what? Prime number means that number which is divisible by 1 and itself only. Okay, so what are the prime numbers less than 10? 2, 3, 5 and 7. Okay, 1 is not a prime number. Okay, so here we have given R equals to ordered pair xy such that x is a prime number less than 10 and y equals to x cube. So what will be it? X, and we put y equals to x cube. So ordered pair will be what? X cube, such that x belongs to and prime number less than 10. Okay, what is the set? 2, 3, 5 and 7. 2, 3, 5 and 7 are the prime numbers less than 10. Okay, so put firstly we put x equal to 2. So what will be ordered pair? 2 and 8. 2 cube is what? 8. Okay, next we put x equals to 3. Then what will be ordered pair? 3 and 27. Cube of 3 is 27. Then 5 and 125. Cube of 5 is what? 125. And next 7, 343. Cube of 7 is what? 343. Then domain of R will be what? Domain of R is all the first elements of ordered pair R. That is 2, 3, 5, 7. And range of R means what? All the second elements of ordered pair R. That is 8, 27, 125 and 343. Okay. Thank you. Next we will discuss in next lecture.